Hi everyone, my name is Sergi on behalf of Sirius Russia, nano water treatment. Today I wanted to show you a filter. We have different sizes of filter from 1 metric ton per hour up to 300 metric tons per hour. Today I'm showing something for 40 metric tons per hour, which is 40,000 liters for groundwater, brackish water. It's a perfect solution because you don't have to use any kind of, useless cartridges like this that, they will just clog and you have to change them every month. Especially with groundwater, these things don't work. They clog up and the quality of the water deteriorates, by the hour, depending on how much water is being, used. So we get rid of this and we use something like this. This is a stainless steel micro wire, which is the size of a hair, wounded on the frame over and over again. When the water comes in around this cartridge, it doesn't go into the cartridge, it goes around it. The wire will start vibrating. Less than 1 micron will pass into the cartridge to exit, and any kind of sediment or dissolved metals or heavy metals, all kind of debris, they will stay on the outside. So then you have like a drain valve to flush all of this out. And so the filter's basically working on self-cleaning, and a self-flushing. So you don't have to change this cartridge. We give a warranty of 10 years. The only thing that I say is that you use a pre-filter strainer, which will go at the entry point before the filter, so that we don't have any kind of rocks or pebbles or big kind of sediment hitting this ultra-fine filtration. We have a net-based strainer, which will take care of that, and we flush it out. Then we go through the 1 micron filtration. So this is a very simple solution that will last you for a long time. Everything is medical stainless steel, food grade. This is how the bottom looks of the filter. This is what's inside of the filter. This is how it looks ready. The manometers go on the top, the entry point, exit point. Inside of the cartridge, there is a magnetic water structure which restructures the water molecules, provides them more oxygen, makes the water cluster smaller, which fits into cells of animals, humans, plants, crops. So this way the digestion of water is at a maximum and less water is needed. So this is a small explanation. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and we'll help you out in any way. We have these kind of filters from 1,000 liters per hour up to 500,000 liters per hour. So it can be something small like this, which will do 3,000 liters per hour, up to this and bigger. And diameter, sizes, flange, or this kind of connection, everything is basically possible and can be customized. So contact us and we'll provide you the best service and the best product there is. Thank you. Have a good day.